The Washerman's Donkey and Horse. Once upon a time, in a village far, far away, a washerman lived by the river. He owned a donkey and a horse. The washerman washed clothes so clean that no matter how bad a stain is, the villagers believed that he could vanish away every stain and dirt from their clothes. The washerman went door to door to every house in the village to collect the dirty clothes, and his donkey used to carry them back to his home. The donkey also carried a load of clothes when the washerman went to return the clothes to the villagers' houses. The donkey used to get very tired after carrying such heavy loads to and fro. The horse that belonged to the washerman was very pretty. It was very proud to its beautiful mane and never had to carry any load. The washerman used to visit the market and the other faraway places riding on the back of his horse. One sunny morning, the washerman was to go to the village to return the washed clothes to the villagers. He had put all the bundles of clothes on the back of his donkey, while he did not put any load on the back of his horse. The heavy load of clothes seemed to be unbearable for the donkey, but it did not say a word. It kept walking with the load. The washerman, his donkey, and horse were halfway through when the donkey decided to ask the horse for help. Oh, dear friend, can you carry some of the load on my back? The pain is unbearable for me, said the donkey. The horse replied, No, brother. Horses do not carry loads like donkeys. I carry our master to the market. Why should I carry your load? The donkey was disappointed. However, he did not stop walking. Umph, umph, came the noise from the stumbling horse. No later than a few minutes, the donkey collapsed on the ground. The clean clothes fell down on a clay and became dirty. The washerman thought to himself that he should have split a load of clothes equally on the donkey and the horse. After realizing his mistake, the washerman took all the bundles of clothes and put them on the horseback. The donkey was then relaxed and could walk without any load on its back. The horse thought to himself, I wouldn't have to carry all the clothes if I would have agreed to share some of it when the donkey had asked. The horse had to carry all the clothes to the market. The horse then decided to always help people in need. So, the donkey and the horse shared every burden and became best friends for the rest of their days. Moral of the story: we should always be friendly to others and help them in need. The proud horse realized its mistake and learned a lesson to help others in need. The donkey got his reward as its master never overburdened it thereon. The most significant moral lessons of life are conveyed with the help of fables and short stories. If you like this story, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it among your friends. See you until next time.